my name is Giuliano Langella. I work at the University of Naples, Federico II, Department of Agriculture, and I'm involved in this project as leader of the pilot 5.1.2 on Earth Critical Zone. So our effort is to develop a new land degradation tool, possibly working for whole Europe, and possibly integrating these fair ease services we are going to develop in this project. Strictly speaking, I'm a soil scientist, so general soil data are not easily available out there. This is more true in Italy. In Italy, soil surveys are planned at a regional level, and we miss a national level collection of this information. So if you are trying to make some research wherever in Italy, it is a nightmare to have access to this data. So it is very common that you will get this data using a pen drive. So this is the level we currently are using for to get this soil data at least in Italy. First of all, I have to underline that I work mainly with geospatial data. According to this, we usually make this distinction between vector geospatial data and raster geospatial data. And which formats? Well, we usually deal with shapefile. This is a proprietary format, so maybe it's not very in line with the FAIR principles, but is maybe the most common, the most used format worldwide. Anyway, in the last years, there is this other format called GeoJSON, which is completely open, so everyone can read and get whatever information is inside the data. For raster data, we have the most used format is the GLTIF format. If you use compressed data, you have the JPEG 2000. We also use other ways to manage both vector and raster data, for instance, by means of databases such as Postgres plus PostGIS, which is open source, so everyone can use it and have access to it. We also have these web services which follow the OGC standards, such as the web mapping service, the web coverage service, and so forth. The challenge above all is to change the mindset of people, of course, because we have to be well trained. When we start doing research, we have to start using data following FAIR principles, but also we have to produce data following FAIR principles. Benefits are, I think, a lot, but above all, I would like to highlight the opportunity to provide the results of your research to everybody, so everybody can access the output of your research, and this way they can also integrate, following the FAIR principles, the results coming from your research in theirs. So it will also foster new collaborations, I think. In my working group, we develop tools and we embed these tools within which we have models, often also very complex models, and we embed these tools in decision support systems, which are available to end users, stakeholders, and they can get their own answer just interacting with our decision support system. So the main difference, thanks to the FAIR ease project, could be that we can integrate FAIR ease services within our procedures, within our algorithms, and this will speed up and easy also the research life in preparing this algorithm, in implementing this algorithm, but also during the testing and the validation stage. Further, also end user could have more opportunities to tune the algorithm with own parameters, and this is possible only if we can include these fair easy services in our tools, in our algorithms.